The Spanish Town Hospital is rejecting claims that a 27-year-old woman went several hours at the facility without being given food and medication. The woman, Shanique Armstrong, died last Saturday. The hospital's CEO, Jacqueline Ellis, said Miss Armstrong was admitted around 12 a.m. on Friday, January 21, and was given breakfast between 6 and 10 a.m. She told TVJ News that Miss Armstrong, who was very ill, was placed on a stretcher 10 minutes after she arrived at the hospital and immediately given high-flow oxygen. However, she died while undergoing treatment on Saturday, January 22. The issue comes after Miss Armstrong's father, Paul Armstrong, said his daughter was treated poorly at the facility.
Her aunt carry food for her because from in the morning till after 5 the evening, the hospital provide nothing for her. No medication, no food to eat, and she was in a wheelchair. And they took her from the wheelchair and put her on a blue chair, a tough chair.
In 2021, Miss Armstrong lost her baby after delivering the child herself in the accident and emergency department at the Spanish Town Hospital. Her family stressed that she died without getting closure on that incident.